In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop a function or a function on Arduino application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Arduino if you don't have it on your PC. Of course, you can do that through any browser you're using. Just go. If you want to download the latest version, that's cool. If you want to download the same version as me, which is 1.8.1, that's cool. If you want to download another version, or if you have already another version, all is gonna be good. Just choose whatever suits you, and of course this tutorial will work for any version. So let's just go back to the idea of this video, which is how to actually stop a function in Arduino. So the only statement, or not the only, sorry, the simplest statement is exit 0 statement. So this statement is one of the simplest way to stop a void loop function. Remember to use this statement at the end of your code, because any instruction written after this line will not be executed until Arduino is reset or code is re-uploaded. So if you do this as an example, so let's say as an example that is your void loop, and let's say as an example that is your code. So if you did this exit 0 statement, that will be actually great. So, and of course, if you did this, then like, sorry, let me just do this, then do this. Let's say as an example, those are code as well. So make sure or be sure that those codes or those lines will not be executed until, as I said, you re-uploaded the code or you reset your Arduino. Of course, that will be actually for this tutorial today. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.